So let us try to take some very standard examples on algebraic standard limits. Means we are going to deal with the formula limit x tends to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a is equal to n times a to the power n minus 1. So this is our formula. So based on this, how can the questions be asked? So you can expect something like this: limit x tends to 2, x cubed minus 8 by x minus 2 is equal to what? So as you can see, in this limit, if you put x is equal to a in the function, you're getting a power n minus a power n, which is 0, by a minus a 0. So you're getting 0 by 0 form. So when you get 0 by 0 form, here also as x tends to 2, a cube, that is 2 cube minus 8, 8 minus 8 by 2 minus 2, you're getting 0 by 0 form again. So here you can use the method of factorization also, because it's in the form of a polynomial by polynomial. So you can use the method of factorization also, because x cube minus 8, you can get the factor x minus 2 outside. Or you can directly use this formula. But before using this formula, the expression has to be of this form. So x cube minus 8 can be written as 2 cube, right? So this can be written as limit x tends to 2, x cube minus 2 cube by x minus 2. So which is equal to, so n into a power n minus 1. So n is the power, that is 3 into a is the number to which the variable tends, 2 power 3 minus 1. So 3 into 2 square is 4, which is equal to 12. So this is one example in which you can use this. So next, it is not necessary that n has to be a natural number. N can also be a negative number. Even then, the formula works. So limit x tends to 2, x power minus 2 minus 1 by 4 by x minus 2. So what is this? What is the value of this limit? So if you closely observe again, this is limit x tends to 2, x power minus 2 minus 1/4 can be written as 2 power minus 2 by x minus 2. Now as you can see, this is exactly of this form. That is equal to minus 2 times 2 power minus 2 minus 1. N is minus 2 into a power n minus 1. So which is equal to minus 2 into 2 power minus 3, that is by 2 cube, which is equal to minus 1 by 4 is the answer. So what is the thing that you have learned in this question? This number n need not always be a positive natural number. It can also be a negative number. Next, it is again not necessary that this n has to be an integer. This n can be a rational number also. So limit x tends to 2. Limit x tends to 2. So x power half minus x power half minus root 2 by x minus 2. What is the answer to this? So this can be written as limit x tends to 2, x power half minus 2 power half by x minus 2. So again, this has got converted into this form where n is equal to half and a is equal to 2. So this answer is n into a power half minus 1. It is 1 by 2 times 2 power minus half, is 1 by 2 root 2. So limit x tends to 2, x power half minus root 2 by x minus 2 will be equal to 1 by 2 root 2. Again, next example. So limit x tends to 2, x cube minus 8 by x square minus 4. So if you try to simplify this, it is limit x tends to 2. In the numerator you have x cube minus 2 cube. In the denominator you have x square minus 2 square. X cube minus 2 cube, x square minus 2 square. So in the numerator you have x power n minus a power n form. In the denominator also you have x power n minus a power n form. So instead of x minus a. So what do you do? So I'll multiply and divide this with x minus 2. So x cube minus 2 cube by x minus 2. It becomes 3 times 2 power 3 minus 1 divided by. So this x minus 2 can be brought into the denominator. So x square minus 2 square by x minus 2 is n into a power n minus 1. So that is equal to 3 into 2 square is 4 by 4, which is equal to 3. So limit x tends to 2. Even if you have x power n1 minus a power n1 by x power n2 minus a power n2, and divide numerator and denominator with x minus a and get the answer. So these are the different cases where you can use this formula. So now let us go to next type of standard limit, which is trigonometric limits.